Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TLRY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very confusing chart. I'll be the first to admit that. I understand the price had a very nice gap up. Opening 30 minutes, very impressive. Continued surge. This was all happening on very solid volume. And then after that, the price kind of just fizzled and drifted downwards. But I use the word drifted because you can't quite say the price crashed. It's not like the price crashed all the way back down there or anything like that, but it was a very big pullback. So I totally understand. Is this a good or bad looking chart? Like, what exactly is going on? And like I said, I understand it. And in my mind, the level that makes the most sense, just from kind of a logical viewpoint of things, is right here at 22.25. How can that level be helpful in answering this? And I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but for explanation's sake, well, one possible scenario is price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then breaks on down. What would you all of a sudden have at that point in time? Well, you would quite literally have the price having gone right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but just from a logical point of view, price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. To be fair, though, no price just goes straight up either. So maybe the price does still come down here. The difference being behaves like that and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows down there, and if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction, and that's what a truly strong move is going to do. Nothing can go straight up, but truly strong moves are going to show signs of progress, and in this situation, quote-unquote, the sign of progress is all about 22.25. So in my mind, that level is all kind of, it's basically our dictionary, meaning it's defining is the price, quote-unquote, going back to where it was, that being bearish, or is the price, quote-unquote, making progress, that, of course, being bullish. So keep a very close eye on that level, and let's see how it continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.